was out decade before the Pagani is. It is the baddest car on the planet. A McLaren F1. Let me walk around the other side for just a second. The seat is in the middle of the car. So the driver is right over there. He's got to climb over the other seats to be able to get in. Underneath the engine compartment, there's a heat shield that's actually covered in gold. I can't imagine what it costs to keep one of these cars. You have to send them over to England for a lot of the work that gets done, and it's hugely expensive. It is a beautiful car. Dr. Workman's here in Winterman, Florida. This is Tom Hill, who works with Dr. Workman, and we just love seeing his cars every year. This car, this year, is the judge's choice. The judges like this car better than any other car in the field. If there was one car to take home, this is the car to take it home. Tom, thank you very much. Yeah, you can't even reach the door to close. I'm not going to embarrass him while he was here. That car is worth in excess of $10 million. It is it is the most expensive modern car you can think of. Rich